Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Ewocar waffle weave microfiber towel for glass cleaning, which I received from automoshowebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Usually these waffle weave towels are my favorite for glass cleaning, but of course you can get some other towels specifically for this purpose, which ones are good also. Anywho, without any further ado, let's roll. Okay, boys and girls, that was the Ewocar glass cleaning towel. It was working okay. However, in my opinion, it should be a little bit thicker, because this one is getting wet very easily. So you definitely cannot like wipe with one side and buff with the other one. You need at least 2 towels to go around the car. Other than that, what else could I say? Yeah, there are better towels, like waffle weave towels out there, but this one is okay too. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.